Hello everyone, welcome back to Global Studio YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be tackling some common issues that you might encounter while working with AutoCAD. If you have ever faced problems with working in AutoCAD, then you are in the right place. So without any delay, let's dive in. In this video, we will focus these 6 common problems in AutoCAD. The first one is invisible dimension, hatch is not visible, layer display issues, command line issues, dashed line issues, and grid line issues. Now we will discuss these problems in detail and try to find the solutions. Have you ever experienced the dimensions appearing too small in your AutoCAD drawing? Then the problem might be the dimension scale. Let's quickly resolve this one. Open any of the drawing and enter the dim scale command. Adjust the dim scale factor to a suitable value for your drawing. In this case, I will give the scale value 6 and you can choose your own scale factor as per your drawing requirement. This is the solution for the invisible dimensions. And now let's move into the next problem. Do you find that your hatches are not showing up as expected? As you can see in this rectangle block, the hatch scale is not proper. And let's see how to fix this issue. You can modify the hatch scale from properties tab, but it is time consuming process if you have multiple hatches. To avoid this issue, first check the default hatch setting using the hatch command. Adjust the hatch scale and also the pattern to get the right hatch size. You can able to create the standard hatches in the drawing once you set these two parameters. This is the solution for the hatch issues, and now let's move into the next problem. Layers are fundamental in AutoCAD, but sometimes they can be a bit tricky. Let's address this issue related to the layer visibility. In this case, all the layers is visible, but you can turn off the layers using the short command lay off. Select the layers to hide and enter. Now we can use lay on command to make all the layers visible and also check layer properties to ensure all the layers are displaying correctly. This is the solution for the layer issues, and now let's move into the next problem. The command line is your lifeline in AutoCAD. What if it disappears? Let's see how to solve this simple issue. Press Ctrl 9 to toggle the command line visibility. You can also use command line and command hide command to show or hide the command line. And now let's move into the next problem. Why dashed lines not displaying correctly? This is a very simple problem, and let's see how to resolve this issue. Go to Properties tab and modify the line type scale to make the dashed lines visible. That's all. Your problem is resolved. This is a solution for the dashed line issues, and now let's move into the next problem. Are you dealing with annoying grid lines and you won't be able to turn it off? Let's see how to turn it off. Locate the grid setting in AutoCAD, normally found within the Customization tab. Choose the initial option to toggle the display of grid lines on and off. This is the solution for grid lines, and we have also reached to the end of our video. Great job guys, we have covered some common AutoCAD issues today. If you have found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more AutoCAD tips and tutorials. If you have any specific issues you would like us to address in future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thank you. We will meet again in the next video. Bye bye.